550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
And therefore, line 24, ready tower, runway 4, line 48, traffic, short final, runway 31.
Runway 4, line of flight, number 4944.
And therefore, 5305, contact near departure.
Departure, there 5305.
Square wind 472, hold shuttle, runway 4 at Papa.
4 Papa.
Square 472, prepare for hold shuttle, runway 4 at Papa.
Hold on, we're trying to land. You're giving me a hold short while I'm trying to land. You know why we have problems with that?
Okay, Square 472, just turn left onto Romeo, right Papa, hold shuttle, runway 4.
Okay, you understand that we have all these problems. We're trying to land the airplane. You're giving me hold short instructions.
Square 472, I need you off the runway, traffic on a mile final, turn left on Romeo, right on Papa, hold shuttle, runway 4.
Left on Romeo, right on Papa, hold short 4, clearly 476.
Square 472, traffic holding position, runway 4. Cross runway 4 at Papa, left on double alpha, and contact ground 27.
Cross 4 on Papa, left on double alpha, contact ground, clearing 472.
Welcome to LaGuardia, Square.
No, this is why we have the problems, man.
You're the only one that had the problem.
Ground Spirit Wings, 472 on double alpha, going to gate 4.
Spare 472, LaGuardia ground, continue double alpha to the ramp.
Double alpha to the ramp, clearing 472.